Today I'm going to talk about remedying some common problems with a Whirlpool Duet Sport, alright, or Whirlpool in general. The first one is going to be F-21 or F-33. Alright, an F-21 is caused by one of two problems. The first could be this lint trap right here being clogged, preventing the motor from sucking water out. And the second could be the motor itself has actually gone bad. If you've checked the lint trap and there's nothing there clogging it, the next thing you want to check is the impeller to make sure that it's not loose or wiggling. You stick your finger inside here, you're going to feel some rubbery plastic stuff. Just grab it right on the end and wiggle it back and forth. If it wiggles, that means that the impeller has come loose from the motor shaft and you need to get a new motor. If you get an F-33, make sure you check this connection first. This connection could have come undone while the wash machine's vibrating. F-33 can also be caused by this motor becoming too hot. One of the causes of this motor becoming too hot is a broken impeller. Pretty simple. First, use some pliers and disconnect the hoses. Alright, make sure you disconnect the wire. Alright, and there's a little rubber piece, a little rubber foot that sits in there, and you're going to want to lift up this rubber foot. It's like a little brake. And then you're going to slide the whole motor unit to the right. And once you do that, it's going to pop right out. Once you have the hoses back on the drain pump, simply set it into the thing and gently slide it over. It should be really easy to slide over. If you're having trouble, go ahead and pull it back out and see if you can reposition it. Once you've got the motor seated back in place and slid, use a screwdriver to see if you can't push this part of the rubber foot back down into to keep the motor from sliding back and forth. Make sure that it's plugged in. Now, after you've installed the pump and before you put this panel back on, go ahead and run a load to make sure that you don't have any leaks.